Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Arsha from the Brooke Surgery. As you may know, we've been working on trying to improve our services for our patients here at the Brooke Surgery. And then recently we've been working on streamlining one of our most frequent requests, which is prescriptions. At the moment, a lot of our patients have a set of medications that are on repeat prescription that they order regularly. And they'll order this regularly for years on end. And every month they'll request their medication, with their repeat prescription, either through the NHS app, through Patient Access app, our online service, or sometimes even by the telephone. They will then collect the medication once the prescription has been signed from their local pharmacy. And then the next month, the patient has to remember to do this whole process again. And this process has managed to work for all of us for quite some time, but it's not quite the best process. It's something that we can improve upon. And this is what the reason for this live video is. Patients have to keep an eye on the medicine just to make sure they don't run out. It can be quite hard to keep on top of it all. And it's not just hard for you as patients. Every day, our GPs and our pharmacists receive hundreds of prescriptions that they need to look at and sign off. And this is growing every month. With that in mind, we're giving patients an option to change things up for the better. Over the next few weeks to months, for suitable patients, we're rolling out a new process in addition to our current system that we have running. With this new process, your repeat prescriptions are agreed in advance, and then you no longer have to order or collect your prescriptions from us. You just go straight to your nominated pharmacy when it is due without having to ask us each month to sign them off. What happens then is your nominated pharmacy gets 7 days notice of when your prescription is due each month. They then prepare your medications appropriately in advance and dispense them out to you each month without any hassle. All you have to do is inform your pharmacy up to about 7 days before your script is actually due to find out when you can actually collect your medicines. This new process puts you in charge of when your medicines are collected, and it's something what we call as repeat dispensing. Once you are changed over to repeat dispensing, you'll now be able to pick up your prescriptions directly from your nominated chemist without having to contact us, therefore saving you time by avoiding unnecessary trips or calls to the practice and then waiting for a clinician to sign it off. That time then gets saved by you. If it's appropriate, you'll be able to request the next issue of your prescriptions slightly early, or even get more than one prescription if it's appropriate. For example, if you're going on holiday, for instance. Now, as much as we appreciate all of you, there will be no need to contact us regularly for repeat prescriptions unless your condition changes if you're on this process. If you are in need of a medication review, we will still contact you, or you can still contact us through our online service to make any changes that you need. For people that want to continue ordering a repeat prescription the old way, that way is still there. You will still be able to order or cancel your prescriptions online if you choose to follow the old process. If you were on repeat dispensing, by contacting the pharmacy beforehand, you will spend less time waiting for your prescriptions, which allows you to stay at home and avoid face-to-face contact where it's not necessary, especially when you need your prescriptions during this pandemic and even after. So overall, this new process is safer and more reliable as a result, and also it saves you time. Earlier, I mentioned that this new system is available to suitable patients, and this may be different for each patient. But if you would like to find out whether or not you are suitable, or you would like to change the repeat dispensing if you're not already on it, why don't you contact us on our online system, and we'll get back to you and let you know if we can switch you over. So thanks for watching. If you have any questions about the repeat dispensing, please post a question below and we'll endeavour to get back to you. And if you find it quite useful, you can share this video to other people who are registered at our practice. So thank you again for tuning in.